Now, we're looking at amid increasing COVID cases, Maharashtra is also facing an acute shortage of oxygen supply. India Today, in fact, went to an oxygen supply plant to understand the severity of the crisis there. The in charge of an oxygen refilling plant in Raigad said that he's falling short of at least 25% of the oxygen supply, looking at the demand that's doubled over the last few weeks. Hospital authorities in Pune are not able to access the required numbers of oxygen cylinders as well. State Health Minister Rajesh Tope said 500 metric tons of oxygen has been requested from the central government due to increasing demand within the state.
What is the present status of demand and supply of oxygen in Maharashtra? To do the ground reality check, we are at one of the main oxygen filling plant in Pune district in Chakan industrial area. Here you can see filling of oxygen in jumbo cylinders is going on. Hundreds of such jumbo cylinders are being refilled over here. This is the Raigad gas filling agency near Pune city. Now what is the capacity if compared with last year's first wave? Let's understand from one of the main workers over here. पिछले साल कितनी आपकी फिलिंग कैपेसिटी थी, इस बार कितनी फिलिंग कैपेसिटी हो गई है?
अगले बार हमारे फिलिंग के अंदर 1 घंटे के अंदर 50 से 55 सिलेंडर निकलता था। आज के डेट में हम लोग 1 घंटे के अंदर 150 से 160 सिलेंडर पर घंटा फिलिंग निकल रहे हैं।
What would you say, sir? What is your filling oxygen filling capacity and how much has it changed if compared with last year?
Our planned location is in Chakan now. My tank capacity is 20 KL. We are getting around 15 KL per day now in this period.
Has your demand increased?
Demand is increasing by 40% now. Rather than get previous corona periods.
आप क्या बताएंगे कितना ऑक्सीजन की आपको आवश्यकता है रोजाना और कितना मिल रहा है?
मुझे रोज का 80 से 70 से 80 से जंबो सिलेंडर लगता है, लेकिन मुझे डेली 85 ही सिलेंडर आता है। तो वो ऊपर का जो सिलेंडर रहता है, तो हम खुद डायरेक्टर है हॉस्पिटल के, तो भी उसके लिए हम आना पड़ता है। तो अभी लिक्विड जो गैस रहता है उसका प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, इसीलिए इधर भी सुबह 11 बजे से आए हम, अभी तक नहीं मिला है। शाम को अब 1 घंटे में हमारा प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाएगा।
They are falling short of almost 25% of supply from the main suppliers. So here we could understand that yes, there is shortage, but the shortage is in form of buffer stock and there is problem in distribution network as well as rotation of such cylinders, which is causing shortage of oxygen for the state of Maharashtra.
Cutting across to Saurabh Bhaktania reporting from Mumbai. Saurabh, do take us through. We're looking at a serious oxygen shortage in Maharashtra. What happened in Nashik was shocking. Do take us through currently how the government is right now combating this crisis. Have they got emergency supplies as yet?
Well, the state government is clearly saying that they're trying very hard to get the necessary required oxygen cylinders. Now, first of all, in the Maharashtra, the Nashik incident, the CM Uddhav Thackeray has ordered high-level inquiry and has asked an immediate report in this matter and has said that action will be taken against the culprit. Now, for the second thing, the rates of oxygen refilling have increased manifold. Now, for a 2,000 liters of oxygen, earlier refilling would take anywhere between 350 to 400 rupees, but now it is costing over 650 to 700 rupees. Now, the time consuming for refilling has also increased. Earlier, it would take half a day to refill this oxygen cylinders, but now it is taking 2 to 3 days and the patient is losing a very valuable time. Now, the major crisis is that many of the private hospitals are running out of the oxygen. Yesterday, you saw how in the Ghatkopar-based hospital, in just 10 minutes, only 10 minutes of oxygen was left, after which the BMC arrived with the oxygen cylinder. The BMC officers are now telling that round the clock a special team is formed who will be monitoring the oxygen levels of all the private and government hospitals, and they will ensure that no hospital runs out of oxygen. But with the cases of coronavirus continuously increasing, people are dying and there are very serious patients who need oxygen and in a very huge capacity. So They are trying very hard from all possible means that oxygen reaches the patients.
Well, thank you very much, Saurabh, for joining us with those details.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.